Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get headless in Berry Avenue. Before we started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So as you can see, my character here doesn't actually have a head, so I'm going to show you how you can do that too right now. So what you want to do is go over to the right hand side and go up to the top where you can find avatar. Go ahead and click on that, and that will bring us to this page here. However, what you want to do is select menu and then go down to the bottom where it says equipped. And now from here we just want to select import ID, so we want to type a certain number in here. So pay attention and make sure to not type the wrong number if you want this to work. So we're going to type in 134082579. So go ahead and pause this video if you need to. So go ahead and pause this video if you need and take a moment. So go ahead and pause this video if you need and take a moment to write down this code or whatever. And once you're ready, go ahead and click add, and as you can see, my head disappeared. So that is exactly how you get headless in Berry Avenue. If you want to reverse it, you can just go back to the avatar and then click this page and then click this back button here at the bottom. If it will ask if you want to reset your current Roblox avatar, and if you do want to turn it back to where it was before, go ahead and click yes, and it will be back to normal. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.